Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Notion and creating the page that will host your dashboard. Choose workspace and scope so structure matches your needs. Personal dashboards differ from team pages. Once done, create a new page and pick empty or a relevant template to save time. Make sure to name the page clearly, then add a cover and icon for quick scanning. You're now ready to assemble core blocks and databases that will power the dashboard's layout and functionality. Now you build the dashboard's engine by adding and linking databases. Create a table for master data, then add board or calendar views for visual workflows. Linked databases let you show filtered views without duplicating content. Once linked, configure properties, sorts, and filters so each view answers a single question. Arrange columns and use headers and dividers to create visual zones. Make sure to add templates for recurring items. This saves time. Finish by automating and polishing. Create relations and roll-ups to summarize data, and add formulas for calculated fields you'll reference constantly. Once done, pin critical views, set page permissions, and add quick links to frequently used pages. Test common flows, create, edit, and complete items to ensure automation behaves. If things break, check filters first, then permissions, and finally validate that linked databases point to the correct source. Make incremental changes, and you'll maintain a reliable dashboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.